So we're going to put some liquid clear on. Got this bit done. Nice bit of phthalo green. Let's go with some phthalo blue. Like this. That's mixing with that liquid clear. Right, there we go. There's some green. Right, phthalo blue down here. So, and then just a little bit of phthalo blue just coming in. Sort of blending out that sort of middle bit really. Got a little brush here, the fan brush. I'm going to go into some white. I want to mount in here, probably a bit around here. We'll have a glow coming out the back. We'll just flick some paint up. And it gets maybe just a bit darker over there. And we can sort of see where we are. Blend, blend, blend. Look at that way that comes into that blue. I'm going to blend that way as well. I'm going into some yellow. Let's go somewhere. We'll just pull some little things up there. We're going to lift this up. I'll probably add a bit of white on here as well, just to brighten some of these up, but I just want a slight different colour here. I'm just going to add a little bit of white on some of them, just to spark them up a bit. We're going to use the black. Not going to need too much paint here. Let's use some of that green and some of that blue and just make a dark colour. Do some mountains. There. We'll just pull this out here. We'll go somewhere like that for now. Sort of back mountain out just there. This one will be behind that one there. Touch of the blue into the white. Let's just put one in. I can always change this, but I'm just planning out. Just a little waterfall, just around here. Don't want a massive one. This is distant. I'm gonna put some stuff around it and close it in probably. But yeah, that's gonna come around here. Right, let's nick a bit of that blue, some green, this sort of colour, a little cut across there, a little roll of paint, some snow on these. We want that one coming in front of that one, so we'll go down to about there. We'll have this one coming down in front. Something like that. Here. So let's take some of that dark colour. Nick some of this. Up the top, make it dark. There we go, look, something like that. See how dark that is? You've still got them values in the green, the blue. It's like a grey green. Okay, we're going to go here. Not much. Cut that off. Little rock in there. Just pushing that waterfall back. Pull this down. Make all in this into rocks and stuff there. We can make all that sort of rocky and stuff there. Don't need a lot, but I'm gonna just I'm not going to stay too close to that one. I'm just going to tap around here first. Yeah, you can order a print of this one, remember, if you fancy it. You can order a print. I'm just going to leave around the waterfall yet, because I don't know exactly what I'm going to do there. Just a little bit of mist. Yeah, I don't know where I want the water, but I'm going to do it sort of mainly everywhere. I think coming through here I can do a nice little sort of stream. So we're going to go about here and just pull this down, this colour. A little bit brighter there, where it might just catch some of that brightness of the thing there. Don't be scared. I get so many comments like on YouTube as well, people are scared to use oils. Don't be scared. What's the worst can happen? You know? Just go for it. Well, I'm just going to pull this colour down now. We're going to come somewhere across here. Keep your eye on that water. You can just get the littlest bit of mist in there, that's fine. Lay that out like that. There we go, look at that. Alright, let's just tap here. Tap. There we go. Blend that up, bring that up, bring that up, bring that up. Let's bring this down here, look. I don't know what's about there. And then we can just create all these little... This is the working out where this is coming now. Something like this. Something like that. I don't know, something... Oh no, there you go, that's where this goes now anyway. We'll fill all this in. Pull some of this down into the water. There we go. I love the fan brush. I think it's my favourite brush. Definitely my favourite brush. Pull this down. I'm going to make this into some shadows there for now. Somewhere around there. One there. There we go. We'll just do some that live here. Do you do any space planets ones? Yes, they're all here. Visualfusions.co.uk. They're all categorised, so you can go to my website right now and choose the Galaxy category. The Galaxy category. Yeah. I'm going to be doing some more as well soon, so they're all categorised, so you can pick out what you want on there. Time for Pop and Brenda. I'm just going to put a few little highlights on here and there, basically. Just putting some water lines down here now. I like doing it like this. I really do. Yeah, I mean, you're really close. So I do love the blue and the greens. I think they're one of my favouriteest colours to work with.